As a final note, please refer to the booklet that came with the Cancer Survival Toolbox for a list of nationwide resources specifically for cancer survivors. Two organizations that you may want to contact are the National Coalition for Cancer Survivorship, which has free booklets on remaining hopeful after a cancer diagnosis, advocating for yourself and others, working with your healthcare team to make sure your needs are met, navigating insurance issues, and understanding your employment rights. NCCS can also provide you with information on cancer survivorship issues. Their number is 1-888-650-9127 or visit www.canceradvocacy.org, www.canceradvocacy.org. CancerNet has information online for older persons. Search their website using the words older adults. This is the end of the Cancer Survival Toolbox program entitled Topics for Older Persons. You may also want to listen to other Cancer Survival Toolbox programs such as Finding Information, Making Decisions, and Living Beyond Cancer.